Guys, today I'm going to be playing Subway Surfers. This is my first time though. I haven't even played Subway Surfers, but except it's all in the past. So, what's this? Oh, I can claim. Thank you. Oh, you're really starting to get more. Okay. So, anyways, let's play the game, shall we? Alright. Fresh in the game. Definitely haven't touched anything except you definitely saw earlier that I have that 10,000 coins already, which I did some grinding and all. And yeah, I did get a high score. Well, this is my first game. Yeah, am I right? No, I missed it. I missed the H. Oh my god! Please stop. Stop with the confetti. What's with the confetti? It's not even New Year yet. What are you using confetti? Go. Jump, 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 jump. Alright. Oh no. Oh. Oh no. Yes. I need another H. Yes. Woo! Woo! Night. Yes. As you can see, I've already completed the thing because I did some epic grinding moments and yes, am I just too pro for it? Oh, there's another. Oh, if I could just find a T, we are good to go. And there we go. I found a T. All right. Mission complete. What are we on? Mission 4, and I just missed that box. Am I an idiot or so? Oh, okay. Word hunt completed. All right. Thank you for that. Oh. Oh no. Yes. High score. Oh. Beating someone's high score right now. So this is my first gameplay on Subway Surfers. I'll try to do some more because I can't because freaking Roblox is up with those blocky players, and this I don't even know. Eat. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Ah! You tell me I can't run over a bush because I'm gonna get freaking caught by the police. So hey, zoinks! Ah! Oh god! Oh god! Oh yeah! Oh, magnet! Goofy magnet! What? Oh, I mean, it's okay. I completed my first word hunt. What is alright, that's cool. Alright, let's play again. I can definitely get a head start on this. Because I am lucky enough to be the birthday boy. Go. And a 2-time star. Oh yeah, let's go. Yeah, this is gonna last longer than I thought because literally it's a star. I mean, how long would it last? I mean, I don't know. Go ask your mom. Oh, you just got pranked? Not really, but I died on my first attempt. What the frick? I didn't even. That's okay though. That's okay. What does the star thing mean? I don't even know. I didn't even play Subway Surfers that many times in my past. I just don't remember. I just remember Jake being stupid and not listening. Yeah. And pick up 2 pogo sticks. Are these even pogo sticks? I don't even know anymore. Jetpack. Oh yeah. And this is inspired by the game Roblox Subway Surfers. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely play something like this. Oh my god. Okay. More in the future. Oh. maybe tomorrow I'll make a video about me playing Roblox Subway Surfers because it will have the same graphics. I mean, Roblox and this game are just a little bit too similar to themselves. I don't know, but we can still move on. We can still play Subway Surfers. There's something even wrong with this game. It's just it's too similar from Roblox. Go. Yes. Take off. Go, go. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh. To do that. Nice. Okay. Jump. Go. Go. Okay. That's scary, but I'm not scared enough because this teenager is literally running. Ah! Oh! How? You know what? Oh. Oh yeah, escaped. Oh yeah, I escaped the police. That's what I'm supposed to say. I got 400 coins. This is awesome. Oh good. Oh gosh. Oh. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna not try to be stupid like Jake and choose the wrong entry for the. Oh my god. There's a train. I'll be so mad. Oh yep, train on the right just now. That's cool, but it's not against my interest. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Help me. Like, oh no, oh no. Oh, luckily I am a lucky boy today. Oh, what? Okay, alright. Okay, alright, okay. Oh, no. Oh. Ah! There was an entry there. Free? Sure. I escaped the police again because I have magic powers. Oh my god. No. No. Oh. I feel like we get faster each time we collect coins. Yes, there's no trains. Oh, no, no, no. Oh. 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 Gotta be not dumber as Jake. Oh. 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 That was cool. Oh. That was cool as well. Oh. Oh. I thought I was gonna crash, but no. Whoa. We're so much faster. Whoa. Whoa. Bet you I'm gonna reach a high score just because watching ads is the way. Alright, I give up. New high score, alright baby, oh yeah. Let's see what reward I get. Nice, money bags. I have to beat 3,000 on, no wait, 3,100,000, I don't even know. 100,084 893. Wow, that's a lot of numbers. Hey, what is guys, happy July 4th. I forgot. Oh, thank you for letting me know, game. So happy July 4th, guys.